Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find your tickets in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the My Tickets button at the bottom of the page. So as you can see, I do not have a ticket currently. This is just an example ticket, and if you have one, it is going to look like this, and you can find all of them in this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.